I have Jax right here with me. I just gave him a nice bath. Right, Jax? Right, sweetheart? That feel good, your bath? Oh, my little baby. For anyone who doesn't know, I believe Jax must have had a stroke or something happened to him. The vets had no idea what was going on with him, and his legs just got worse and worse, and now he can't really walk on his legs at all, so he can't perch, he can't walk, but I made a special perch for him that he can stand on. It's a flat ledge, and he has everything he needs there, and his brothers and sisters come to visit him over by his spot. Yep. And he watches TV, and he's a happy little guy. And Monkey is sleeping in the water dish, but not in the side with the water, on the other side. But she is so strange. She is beautifully strange. What, Jax? Did you say something? What did you say? Oh, you're saying something. What? You gonna talk? Yes? Yes? Anyway, guys, night again. I just wanted you to see Jax after his bath. Night again. We love you.